Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are facing error code 270 in Marvel Rivals game, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my steps. First, check the server status of the game. Visit the Marvel Rivals official website or social media account like Twitter or Discord or third-party sites like Down Directory to confirm if the server are down or undergoing to maintenance. If server are offline, wait and retry later. If no is in the server, then next solution is restart your network. Reboot your router modem, unplug for 30 seconds, then reconnect. Test the internet connection on the other device. If unstable, contact your ISP or use wired internet connection. If no issue in your network, then next solution is check firewall antivirus allow or not. Temporarily disable third-party antivirus firewall or software. Allow Marvel Rivals in Windows Firewall. Go to the control panel, then go to the Windows Defender Firewall. Allow an app through the firewall. Ensure the game and launcher have both public or private access. Next solution is verify game files. On Steam, right click on the Marvel Rivals, go to the properties and then install files and verify integrating file. In the Epic, click on the three dotted button, next go to the game and verify. If this solution is not working, then next is update your graphic cards. For this, go to the device manager and then click on the display adapter and right click on the graphic driver and update. After doing this step, check your problem. If it is persists, then next is uninstall and reinstall the game. After doing this step, your problem may be fixed. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.